Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will create this object in which you are going to learn how to use extrude command, loft tool and hole tool. First, I will make this base whose length is given as 110 mm and width is given as 45 mm and thickness is given as 12 mm. Go to create sketch and choose this plane. Now go to create, choose center rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Go to dimension tool, give the length as 110 mm and height as 45 mm. Now go to solid, choose extrude command and enter thickness as 12 mm. Click OK. Now I will make this part whose length is given as 110 mm and height is given as 62 mm and thickness is given as 12 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle here and enter the length as 12 mm. Now rotate the model like this. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and extrude up to 50 mm. Now my next step will be to make all the corners round. For this the radius is given as 12 mm. Now go to fillet tool and select all the sharp edges and enter radius as 12 mm. Click OK. Now I will make this cut whose length is given as 60 mm and height is given as 6 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to create, choose center rectangle tool and create a rectangle here. Now go to dimension tool, give the length as 60 mm and give this length as 6 mm. Now rotate the model like this. Go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profile and drag the arrow as shown. Click OK. Now I will make all these 4 holes whose die is given as 12 mm. For this, go to hole tool, select the surface and enter diameter as 12 mm. Drag the hole and snap it to the center. Click OK. Similarly, create the second hole, select the surface, drag it and snap it to the center. Click OK. Now create the third hole, select the surface, drag it and snap it to the center. Click OK. Similarly, create the fourth hole, select the surface, drag the hole and snap it to the center. Click OK. Now I will create this upper part whose dimensions are given as 50 by 23 mm and has a thickness of 10 mm. First select this surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to create, choose center rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Now go to dimension tool, give the length as 50 mm and give this length as 23 mm. Now rotate the model like this. Click OK. Go to solid. Choose extrude command. Select this profile and drag it up to minus 10 mm. Click OK. Now I will create this part whose upper dimensions are given as 40 by 23 mm and lower dimensions are given as 22 by 23 mm. First select the surface, create a sketch on it, go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Now go to dimension tool, give this length as 11 mm and this length as also 11 mm and this length as 23 mm. Finish the sketch. Rotate the model like this, go to create sketch and select the surface. Now go to rectangle tool, create a rectangle here, go to dimension tool, give this distance as 20 mm and give this distance as 20 mm, give the height as 23 mm and finish the sketch. Now go to create, choose loft tool and select both the rectangles. Click OK. Now I will create this slot whose diameter is given as 30 mm. For this select the surface, go to create sketch. Now go to circle tool and create a circle here with diameter 30 mm. Now rotate the model, go to solid, choose extrude command, select the profile and drag the arrow like this. Click OK. Now the object is ready. I will give some color to the object. For this, select the surface, right click it and choose appearance. Now select the material and drag it to the object. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please do subscribe my channel if you like the video.